Naughty girl, you bad girl, be a good girl.
I'm not a bad girl.
Yes, you are.
Ow.
This is a smacking stick, really. Smack the naughty girl.
You're the naughty girl.
You're the naughty girl. Right, now we need to use it for cooking.
Goodbye, naughty girl.
Bye. Sit down and mix it up again. Get that butter off because that belongs in the cake and not on. Oh,
What was that for?
it went there.
No, it's on the floor.
Oh, Ruby will get that bit.
Quick, Rabbit, go down the hatch.
That's right. Silly today.
2.
2. Okay. So how many 5s are in 22? 4. Wow, lovely colour. Wowee. Great rainbow cake. Isn't it? And we can just spread it out. Does it taste like rainbows?
No.
How do you know? You've never eaten a rainbow.
Because it doesn't taste like rain or sun.
Oh. Okay.
Tony looks back at the start,
Yeah.
but it's actually light blue, isn't it?
Well, it is, but I don't think it will be light blue when we. There you go. Okay. Not quite sure where I'm going to put this to. There you go. Okay. Yellow. Green. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. You can cut it with a knife, but my hands are so warm. It's easier to do it like that, isn't it? Everybody, icing sugar. Shall we dust you with icing sugar? Maybe not. Ah. Looks like it's been snowing now. So I want you to put it, but not in that bit. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, just try and leave a little space in the centre.
So for the M&M.
Yeah. Whoop, don't let it come off the edge. Ooh, quick, catch it.
Caught it.
Good girl. Cut it out the middle. Push it right down to the bottom, but don't twist it round. Just push it down as hard as you can. Yes. The holes are on top and the cake's all level.
Yes.
Is that good? Wowee.
You can already see it from here.
Yeah. Now buttercream on this level.
Running, baking, eating, sweeting. Sweeting.
So we just all have a go. If we don't know how to do it, what do? Just try. Wow. Come on. We need to make sure we've got enough in the cake first. Fill it up. Fill it up. We won't tell Carol what's in it, and when she cuts it, it'll go. Last one on.
Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, and then down. 1, 2, 3, and down.
Gently. That's it. And shall we get some sprinkles and things there?
Yes.
Hey.
It's almost as
Yeah.
No, mix it under that.
Big.
Yep.
One for me to eat.
Yep. It's here, look.
Messy!
I know, but it's good fun, isn't it? Throwing it at the cake. It's handmade, what do you expect?
Is this how you do it?
Yeah, just chuck it on the cake like that and just doesn't matter, does it? Yes! Successful! glasses.
Yeah.
Thanks. Do I look like a princess? Can I do it to you?
No.
Yeah, hold it. Oh, I pulled it off. Let me staple it again. Oh, I'm not very good at stapling, am I? Right, are we ready? Happy
birthday to you. Squash tomatoes and stew. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
Woo!
That's because I'm only 71.
Hey! Fantastic.
Ooh. It's blue.
Is it?
Is it?
Looks like it. Wow!
Hey!
Look at that!
Nasty.
You want candles? That's
Yeah,
it.
just because we have.
Do you want some sweeties on that
It's
one?
candle day.
How many what?
How many forks?
7.
7. Maybe no.
How about 10?
No, 7 will be fine.
That's enough.
I'm having some of this cake. Oh, I need a knife.
I'll go.
Oh, thank you. I can't use that one, can I? Squeeze it in. You just make a normal cake mix.
Thank you so much.
Squeeze it in and mix it up, and they're so vibrant. And you'd never get these colours on your own, would you?
I didn't want you chewing on them.
Joking.
That one ain't got one. This one ain't got one.
Joking
see
it with
it?
a candle holder.
Let me
Oh wow! Look at that! Oh my goodness!
get some lights on.
Chocolatey,
No one can see, can they? No. Come on, now.
You have been busy, everybody.
Oh yeah! Oh.
Dodgem.
Oh, dodgems! Minnie! I couldn't see what I said! Yeah, she's holding the
What
card
chance
right
have they
now.
got? Hey, what chance have they got?
Buy it.
Dodgem.
Yeah, go all the way around to the dodgems, to this one.
Do you have to pay?
Yeah, because it's green.
Yeah.
It's to me.
No,
Four pounds.
All the way, quick, round as fast as you can. You don't have to count. Now you can buy
Hold on a
it, now you're there.
No.
Buy it! It was just a...
Hold on a minute.
Do I have to pay?
Yes.
Yeah, pay me.
No.
Not you.
Look, this was her card.
Well, go to the Dodgems.
Go to the dodgems.
Okay, that's alright.
But she just counted her way
£4,
along to the
please.
dodgems. No, put the £4 in the bank, Minnie.
Yeah, but it's green.
Oh, it's me or Minnie. Who's
Who
this?
shall I say? Eeny, meeny, miny,
Oh, no,
moe.
me or you,
Catch
Minnie,
it
me.
by its toe. If it squeals, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Oh, no! He took yours off you. Oh.
I know it would be. I knew it. Because if it starts on that, it goes on that.
Careful.
That's it.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
I think there's some cheating
No,
going
I
on.
do.
There is nothing at all.
Thank you.
Look